Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. It was very bad to hear Australia cancelling the contract of 12 conventional diesel submarines with France and announced that it would join with United States and the United Kingdom for a security partnership AUKUS. The justification which Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison gave for cancelling the deal is the vital need for nuclear powered submarines, and they feel the United States offer was more powerful than the France offer. Australia wanted a faster, a stronger, and a stealthier submarine, and this is one of the major reasons for which they went in partnership with the United States. Even though Australia gives thousand reasons, I am not sure if France would be able to take these things that lightly and get convinced. France had been in good relationship with every country with which they were partnering, and losing such a trustful alliance doesn't look good for Australia. Coming to India's deal of 6 diesel electric submarines via Project 75I, we know that Government of India shortlisted L&T and Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders as the two Indian firms which will collaborate with a foreign vendor to build these 6 submarines via the Project 75I. The 5 foreign vendors or the 5 foreign manufacturers shortlisted by the Government of India were Russia's Rosboron Export, Germany's ThyssenKrupp, France's Naval Group, Spain's Navantia, and South Korea's Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering. The two Indian firms would have to tie up with one of the 5 foreign firms for the project, which is worth around 42,000 crore or 6 billion US dollar approximately. Still, what is not clear is, will a single Indian shipyard company get a chance to manufacture the entire 6 submarines, or it would be split between the Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders and L&T. Even if each shipyard gets the split quantity of submarines to be built, one of the shipyards should collaborate with France Naval Group so that the friendship between India and France increases during the time when France feels abandoned by Australia. Naval Group India provides support for technical and research activities in the local naval shipyards, and Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders of India are already working with France Naval Group for their Scorpion class submarines. One more advantage of choosing Naval Group of France is for the pump jet propulsion. The Indian Navy aims to procure 6 nuclear powered attack submarines under Project 75 Alpha, and for this, even though the design part is taken care by India, the pump jet propulsion would be acquired from France. The pump jet propulsion, which might be acquired, would be similar to the one that was developed for the French Navy's Barracuda class nuclear attack submarines. Even though this is an internal discussion, nothing is confirmed for now. Pump jet propulsions are a better option for high speeds, which is something vital for the nuclear attack submarines that often rely on speed and stealth for their missions. The decision of choosing the naval group should be decided soon, since pump jet propulsion needs to be tuned to the hull of the submarine during the design phase itself. According to me, it's a good chance for India to show importance to get France on board the India's Project 75I and give a moral support and helping hand during the time of losing such a huge deal from Australia. Whatever I have mentioned in this particular video are my personal opinion, which can obviously differ from person to person. So please feel free to leave your comments in the below section of this particular video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.